What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media, and today's video will be a voiceover, but we will be creating this look right here. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. Okay, so before we jump right on in, did you hit that notification bell? Did you? No, seriously. Let's just go ahead and jump right on in. This way. I'm starting off with MAC's NC45 and just placing it all in the highlighted areas below the hot contour line, a forehead, and around the occipital bone. Brushing it out with a fluffy brush. Getting all those spaces. Now I'm going in with the little Juvia's, placing shade 11, dancing 2, and I'm just going to blend that in along with the NC45. And taking a little bit of foundation, Born This Way, and Butter Pecan, and placing it all in the highlighted areas as well, moving and grooving. Along the forehead, down the center of the nose, the occipital bone. Listen, foundation sometimes can just be a spot treatment. You don't necessarily have to put foundation all over your face. As you can see, I didn't. Now I'm going into contour. I'm using the Fenty stick. As I contour my jawline, I contour my forehead, I contour my cheekbones, contour, you get a contour, you get a contour, you get a contour. Oh yeah, and nose as well. Brushing it all in. Blend, blend, blend. Blended is our friend. Fluffy brush. I'm using all fluffy brushes. Now, what I did there was just go in with a little bit of concealer to just re-highlight those areas and blend it all in. We're setting it with a little bit of Airspun. Listen guys, if you have not gotten your Airspun, please get it. It's about $4 to $5. That's it. You can set your whole face, and we're going to leave that setting up there. I normally don't bake, but in this situation, we're going to bake a little bit. So I'm going in with eyeshadow, and the shadow that I'm choosing to use is more like a tannish brownish color. I'm actually using the Black Radiance Highlight and Contour Palette, so you can actually just use that as eyeshadow as well, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Going in with a taupey brown sand color almost. And then I slowed it down right here just so you guys can see exactly how I blend in my crease color. So I go in a tapping back and forth motion, not necessarily a swiper no swiping motion, but it's like a back and forth typing. Now let's speed it back up a little bit. Going in with the brown on the outer crease of the eyelid, more like the outer V. And now I'm taking a little bit of gold and putting that right in the center of the points of the beginning of the eye. And I'm just brightening up that area. Usually when you put a lighter color there, it makes your eyes look a little bit whiter. The shade that I am using is actually a beautiful Sephora shade, and I really like this cherry red simply because it has a little bit of shine. I know we've been doing the matte thing for so long, but this time I want a little bit of gloss. The gloss is very high pigmented. You can do about 2-3 swipes and you will get everything that you need in those 2 swipes. Now moving on to eyeliner. Eyeliner is actually by Kiss. I'm dipping it into a brush, and now we are brushing off that contour. Look how long that not contour, excuse me, brushing off and coughing, right? Brushing off that setting powder and adding a regular color. Going in with blush. The brush I'm using is actually Juvia's Place. And now we are going to highlight. Now the highlight that I'm using is by Danessa Myricks and is an illuminating veil in the shade Gold. I just love the way this looks on my skin. Now I wanted it to not have a separation there, so I took a little bit of Kevyn Aucoin and blended that in. Kevyn Aucoin concealer is very, very pigmented. I'm using a little bit of face gloss right here simply because I want my skin to look luminous on my cheekbones. So when I take photos, it's like, bam, who's that girl? Who is she? Moving right into lashes. Now the lashes can be found in my Style Guide store. And I forgot what number this is, but I would definitely link it down below of what exact lashes I'm using. We have one on, and now we're going to do a little dance and get the other one ready, because what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. Sitting there blending more makeup out, you know, just making sure that it is a seamless finish from start to finish. I absolutely love that brush, by the way. Those brushes can be found on my Style Guide store too. That link will be listed down below as well. Oh, so we got the second eyelash on, and you know I don't use tweezers. Listen, we are all done here. Quick, fast, in a hurry, no sweat, no game, lashes on, lips beat, hair flip, yep, comb it out, brush it out, and there you have it, you guys. She is all done and ready for the day. Quick, fast, in a hurry, right? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Listen, if you guys are enjoying these videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. And also, watch the other videos that you see right here. Okay, guys, until next time, I will see you guys later. Later, lovers. Bye.